Hi everyone! In my previous videos, I explained what sleep apnea is and how we diagnose it using a sleep study called polysomnography. If you haven't watched those videos yet, I recommend watching them first to better understand today's topic. Today, let's talk about one of the most effective treatments for sleep apnea, the CPAP machine. A CPAP machine works by delivering continuous air pressure through a mask that you wear over your nose or nose and mouth while sleeping. This gentle airflow keeps the airway open and prevents it from collapsing during sleep. As a result, breathing becomes normal, oxygen levels stay stable, and sleep quality improves. CPAP therapy can significantly reduce snoring, daytime sleepiness, and other complications related to sleep apnea. If your sleep study shows sleep apnea, your doctor may recommend CPAP therapy to help you sleep and breathe better. In my next video, I will explain how to use a CPAP machine